So what is going on, guys? Awful here, and welcome to day 4 of my winter break. We're almost done with the week, and we start here today with the 1,000 steps. What is this called, Zippy? 1,000 steps what?
1,000 step beach.
1,000 steps beach. I don't know if it's 1,000 steps, but I'll count, okay? So let's go. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, and let's go. This is really 1,000 steps.
I guess so.
A few moments later.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 12, 114, 115, 116, I'm so tired. 186, 197, 190, 189, 100, 200. 219, 220, 221, 220, 223, 224. Yo, I climbed all those steps all the way up there, and see if he's still climbing. So after seeing how many steps it is, I counted like 224 to 225 steps. Online, however, it says it's 218, not 1,000. So we know it's definitely not 1,000 steps. But when we go back up later, I'm going to expose the 1,000 steps beach to see how many steps it really is. But first, let's go explore. Let's go. Look at that, so beautiful. That's a beautiful bird. Look at all those birds. Guys, unfortunately, the cave has a lot of water, so it's kind of like I don't really want to go in these clothes.
But we cannot go because it's closed, because
It's really close.
High is in danger.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can't go there. Sorry guys, I was really gonna bring you guys with me, but we can't go. That's a disappointment. But all right, let's go see what else we can do.
All this area is so beautiful. Oh, there's Laguna Beach.
So the cave is right there. If we were to go to that cave, you would get splashed by water, see? It's not very safe. And if you look at that last clip, if you look very closely, there's a sign that says cave is closed. We can't go there, sorry guys. Okay guys, so we are going back to the stairs, and it's time to expose this beach to see how many steps it really is. Goodbye beach, we are leaving the beach, and we're about to go up the stairs. Bye beach. Goodbye.
Your jacket.
We're at the stairs and Sippy has to take off her jacket already because it's so hot.
Oh my god, you don't have to record
Okay.
that.
Okay guys, let's expose this beach to see how many steps it really is. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 90, 91, 92, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 101. I'm so tired!
Me too. I'm taking a break. Keep going, I'll be bald. Record all there.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225. I was right the first time, but I wasn't really right. So I exposed. So yeah, guys, I exposed 1,000 Steps Beach. It does not have 1,000 steps. It has 225 steps. I even exposed the internet. It's today at 218, but it really has 225 steps. So yeah, guys, now you know how many steps it has. Now let's go to Nosh house and eat some food. Let's go. Okay, so we got to Nosh house. And we're gonna go inside and then we're gonna order our food. I'll tell you guys when our food is ready. After our 1,000 steps hike, we're gonna eat some food now. It's ready.
CP already started those.
She's I'm gonna put some close up with me putting some ketchup on. Get close up, get close up, get close up. Get close up, me putting some ketchup on. Really good ketchup. See? More ketchup. I like it with a lot of ketchup, so. Alright, ready? I'm gonna eat it. 3, 2, 1.
I will like food no matter what food it is. So tonight, for
one is-
dinner, I'm making tacos.
This burger's really good. I'll take it when we're done eating. Alright, so we gotta try the fries now. CP is really angry right now because she wants to eat her food.
Yeah, they just find some.
You're eating it, CP. Okay, anyway. Alright, so let's try the fries, get it close up, ready, and
Fries and fries.
it's good.
I prefer homemade, but anyway, we are out, so I need to feed
Yeah,
everyone.
that's a little too much
Who's
salt.
hungry all the time, and I need to
Me.
feed him.
Let's go.
So,
Challenge you to not make a face. Show me your eyes and touch not to make a face.
I think for what?
You're gonna eat some Skittles, and I'm gonna challenge you to not make a face.
There's nothing. I love sour.
Good, but I wanna see if you
In order for me to sour, it has to be like a lemon.
CB loves Skittles.
I love sour, so in order for me to put my face really sour, has to be like a lemon.
Yeah.
What about the other one? Now you try it.
Again, I got some sour sticks mixed. Let's see if I'll make a face.
I should try next time to do with real fruits, the sour fruits, and some spicy chiles. A challenge?
I did not make a face, guys. Let's go. I passed, right, Sippy? Did I pass? Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna present my subscribe to Alville and stay tuned for day 5 of my winter break. Goodbye.